The rise of AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. It's streamlining work, boosting efficiency, and yes, replacing jobs. But will AI replace you? The answer depends on how you respond. From self-driving cars eliminating the need for human drivers to AI-generated content reducing the demand for writers and designers, technology is advancing at a rate faster than ever before. Millions of people fear job loss, and for good reason. Tasks that once required human expertise are now being performed by machines. But the truth is, AI isn't here to take over. It's here to work with us. The real danger isn't AI itself, but ignoring its impact and failing to adapt. Meet David, a skilled marketing professional who suddenly finds AI automating the tasks he once mastered, writing ad copy, analyzing data, and even generating creative content. At first he panics. He watches as his colleagues struggle to keep up, their skills becoming outdated. Some complain that AI is taking their jobs, while others refuse to embrace the change. But David makes a different choice. Instead of resisting, he adapts. He studies AI tools, learns how to automate repetitive tasks, and focuses on developing skills that AI can't replace: critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and leadership. He begins using AI as a powerful assistant rather than seeing it as a threat. Soon, he isn't just keeping up, he's ahead. His productivity skyrockets, his value in the job market increases, and he secures a high-paying role that blends human expertise with AI efficiency. Meanwhile, those who refuse to evolve find themselves struggling to stay relevant. This is the reality we all face. Et yainem heliatasit, devalaki, akituja, hogyan kel hasnalni, maged. The difference between those who thrive in this new era and those who fall behind isn't intelligence or talent. It's adaptability. The key to job security in the age of AI is to embrace it, understand how it works, and leverage its power to enhance your skills. Instead of fearing automation, learn how to work with it. Take online courses, experiment with AI-driven tools, and focus on developing uniquely human abilities that AI cannot replicate. The future is already here. The question is, will you evolve with it, or will you be left behind? Thanks for watching.